Welcome. In this short tutorial, I'll be showing you how to download your Lucidchart diagram. All right. So first up, go ahead and open up your diagram. And once you're in here, go to the top left. All right. Here we have the file section. Just click on it. As you can see here, we have the option for exporting. Now, as you can see here, we have a ton of options. You can go ahead and export it to Lucidchart or Microsoft PowerPoint and some other file formats right here. I'm going to export it as maybe a JPEG or even a PNG with a transparent background. All right, I'm just going to click on this option. Then click on maybe later. All right, once that's done, go to the top right. And here we have the download button. But before that, if you want to, you can go ahead and crop the content or do not crop. Okay, just like that. Or custom. But the quality right here, the max is print quality, which is 300 ppi. I'm going to select that. Then I'm going to click on download. It says here generating file, just wait for it. And once that's done, there will be a download page. Now it says here, due to the size of this document, it may take some time to generate your file. Please keep this document open. So on and so forth. As you can see here, it's complete. I'm going to save it on my desktop, hit on save, and it's done. I'm going to click on the PNG. And here we have it. As you can see here, the background is transparent. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.